In this video, we're going to talk about how you can become an Uber Eats delivery driver in Australia. So you can use either a car or a bike. Here's what we want to do. I'll load up this article here on my browser, how to become a delivery driver on Uber. So here are all of the different steps. You obviously need to sign up to create an account. That's fairly easy, but the process looks a little something like this afterwards. You will need to apply for a background check and a right to work check. This is going to take a few days for Uber Eats to actually confirm that you are eligible to work. And the next step will be taking the bicycle safety test. So this is going to be for bike. So here you will see you will need to complete the bicycle safety test depending on your area here. So you can choose the different areas. And the third step will be completing your profile. So you need to be at least 18 to work and complete the delivery basics. Afterwards, you will need to follow some food safety modules here. You need to take these modules and you will be good to go as long as your background check passes. That is if you're delivering through bike. So if you want to deliver by car, scooter, or motorbike, again, you will need to go through the background check process. Then you will need to complete your profile and check out the delivery basics and again, the food safety modules. So here, what is going to be required of you is if you want to deliver by bicycle, you will need to have a passport or birth certificate, secondary ID, so that's going to be driver's license, and these are the documents that you will need to supply to Uber Eats if you want to become a delivery driver in Australia. And that's basically how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.